Gusts of wind tore off roofs and broke trees. The flash flood has paralyzed the million-strong city. Rapid falls of water filled the streets. The siding of more than 100 houses was also damaged. Residents struggled to get through them, and transport was locked. All these phenomena are caused by a cyclone accompanied by heavy rainfall. Residents hid in cover, but some still filmed it. The reason for everything was having continuous rain. The height of the flood varied from 10 centimeters to 100 centimeters. Heavy rain led to the flooding of at least 2,800 homes. Luckily, there were no casualties.